Good luck, industry professional Jodie Spencer.
Along also with Havoc and Acolyte. 2, 1. Begin. Here we go. Havoc going in for the rush. Going in Goose. Goose having none of it. Not quite getting out of the hammer, but Havoc is really going for Acolyte right now. And hitting now. Very strong is that Havoc, really. The Goose coming in for a sneaky pack on the back of Havoc. That's what we love to see. Stealth piece. Can Acolyte get a bit? There's some smoke coming out of Acolyte. A little bit. Are we going to pause the fight for that? I think we are. Okay, we're going to check, see if there's any issues with Acolyte going forward.
Damn you, Goose!
Of course, the geese are to blame. Geese, classic fondness of fire.
Yeah.
They love the smell of smoke.
Damn it, Gareth! Front fell off.
Somehow the lifter has come off the back of the
There's a fire there. Well, yeah.
Wait, am I not supposed to do it?
Okay, are we going to reset this fight, or is Hobble going to start on top of the Goose? A very dangerous position to be in.
Right, 3, 2, 1, continue.
And we're away if we're going to start with Hobble on the Goose. Squaring up, getting ready to attack. Looks like the Goose is having leg problems though. The Goose has lost a wheel, it's not Jodie Spencer's fault. Official news confirmed.
It's lost both.
It's lost both!
The Goose is sad! He's decided he's... The Goose has lost his leg!
Oh, Goose. It'd be really embarrassing to be the builder of Goose right now. It's okay because the driver is so good. We don't have to worry about it, guys. The driver is just like professional. He's just control passing. You can allow it. It's still good.
It's still going to be an audience fight.
It's involved progress. So involved.
Well, the bottom have been very impressive this fight though. Very angry this fight though.
Can't control that. No steering.
And with 12 seconds to go, it's all to play for, I think you'll agree.
7. The Goose waggling his head in despair. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, there you go, round of applause for that fight, everybody! The plot twist is it was a fun fight and there are no winners, no losers. We all win. Apart from Jodie Spencer, who wins the most.
Yeah, sure.
There we go. So our next whiteboard, please. Pizza time,